Hello and welcome to Star Wars Obsessed. I'm Richard and this time it's
the Star Wars X-Wing Fighter.
Again! Here is the X-Wing I got from Troy Patterson. I recently did a video putting on 3D printed guns. And then I made the comment if it was possible to 3D print a Canopy. You know, the 3D printed stuff seemed to be a lot more reasonably priced than the vintage versions. And I got a few comments, some people saying that, yeah, you can find 3D printed canopies. So I went on eBay and I found a really cool looking canopy on an eBay seller called Design, Print, and Repeat. I really liked how it looked, so I decided to go ahead and purchase it. Alright, the canopy is in this box. Here we go. Wow! This part of the canopy was molded using a clear sheet of plastic. And then the seller 3D printed these parts, this one and this one. The creator decided to add a display panel, which adds a nice little touch to it. I could not have done anything this good. I would rather have somebody else make it and then purchase it. And it's a really good price. I'm going to put this on, and I'm sure it'll look fabulous. And there it is. This is about as far as it'll go up. Check this out. It fits quite well. That is so awesome. And then it has that display right there. Very cool. This looks great. Doesn't come out. This is so well made. It's got a figure in there. See how easy it is. That's why I have to put the arms, squeeze the arms in. There we go. All right. Check that out. This looks fantastic. This looks so cool. It's complete now. Canopy, guns. It's nice and white with stickers. This is the same X-Wing gifted to me by Troy Patterson. It looks fabulous. It's amazing that nowadays people are able to help Star Wars collectors or Star Wars fans to complete their collections by creating repro parts at a reasonable price. It's pretty awesome. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. You can follow Star Wars Obsessed on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description below. See you on the next Star Wars Obsessed.